Okay guys, in case you ever have to do any maintenance inside your motor, or if you're like me and you just have to get parts out of it, I'm going to show you how to crack it open and do what you got to do. First you got to go around. I'm using a real small flathead. Let me show you. You just gotta go around and chisel around the outside, and you just gotta bend it up. I'm gonna do that, and then I'll report back. Okay, so the easiest I found, get the corner here, then do it in the middle. Then if you go right here, you can just grab it with some pliers. If you had a better chisel and a hammer, it'd come out a lot neater than that, but I'm just after the part, so it's gonna be good enough. Okay, I got all that whole brim chiseled back. I already broke it free when it was on time lapse. Here you go. See, it's open. Right here's the bearing that I'm after. Let's see if I can figure out how to get it out. Okay guys, I'm gonna turn on the stove and I'm gonna set this right on the stove top. Heat it up a little bit. Okay, let's see what we got now. More heat. Okay, a little bit more heat on the stove. Loosen that up enough to get it out. It's gonna be hot in hell, so I'm not gonna touch it yet. Make sure you're allowed to use these. Okay, it isn't just a solid. It isn't a bearing like I was hoping. I'm gonna use it for now because I'm just gonna beat it up anyway. Alright, on to the next part. Okay guys, next we're gonna take that shaft out. There's a magnet in there, and let's just see. Yeah, this piece here is gonna pop right out. If you're gonna be putting this back together, just keep track of what way you put it, that you take it apart. Okay, there's a fan. That's a real strong magnet. There's that other grommet bearing deep inside there. Let's see if I gotta heat it up. I'm actually gonna put some WD on it right this second. Actually, maybe I won't. I'm doing this inside. Pretty beat up warm. This was because of too high a gearing. I had a 22 tooth pinion gear in it, and so far I burned up 2 motors. The second one I caught it in time, I hope. It's still working so far. That's what's in it now. We've got another one on the way. And you can see this will come all the way apart. I'm not gonna. If anybody needs me to, just as a demonstration, I would. But, alright, let's get that other grommet out that I need. Okay, I'm gonna have to add some heat to it. It's stuck in there pretty good. So, here we go back to the stove. Okay guys, that's it. They're really tight. I'm not even gonna waste my time. I'll go get some bearings tomorrow. But yeah, I thought there was they would have bearings in the 775 motor. So yeah, at least we know how to get into it and what's in there, what kind of stuff that they're running. I might even crack open my new one and put some bearings in there just for just because. So yeah, and I got that stuck in there. That'll be fun getting out. Those magnets are real strong. So, alright, hopefully that helped you out. I know I was sure wondering how to get in there, so alright, I'm gonna go for a little ride now. See you guys. Whoa.